Let's go. Fuel gens. How many? It's gonna be lots of them. Lots and lots and lots. But it's good. It's gonna give me lots of power, which I'm probably gonna be needing for the nuke factory, which is gonna be making lots of power, which I'm gonna be needing for the other factory. Oh my god. I just realized that I haven't even started the actual challenge and I'm at 45 hours. I'm even tempted to move it back a bit. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, oh boy, this is a lot of them. Cornflakes for breakfast, typical me. I had a cookie. 1 cookie? No, I'm lying. Maybe 2. Could I have the pipe run up here? What green screen? I don't see. Do you see a green screen? I don't see a green screen. Don't know what you're talking about. I'm just living in the game. This actually works. I should have maybe checked it before I did like the whole row with these, right? It's gonna take ages for the last fuel gens to fill up though, isn't it? Do we care? I don't think we do. Of course it's a cool idea. Duh. I'm kidding. Oh, no, 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 no. Yes. That one. I might start a creative world just to do these kind of shenanigans. It is so nice to be able to just build whatever you want and not have to worry about what you have in your inventory. And I mean, if you'd sometimes even do like, what's it called, concessions, or where you just build something real quick because you don't have other materials, and then later you have to fix it. And it's so nice to be able to just build. I'm not gonna go back to another vanilla safe anytime soon until we get to 1.0, because I'm gonna burn out on the vanilla game otherwise. Can I even... Let's just try something. I mean, why go all the way there if I can try it here? Dip. So the thing is... Yeah, no, this will clip. I knew it was gonna clip a bit. Lol. That won't work. I like collecting the resources, but when I'm in my creative mode, however you want to call it, if I'm in my creative mood and having to go back and forth every time to pick up materials, it kind of halts me. And right now I can just continue, build whatever I want. I mean, I can't even do it otherwise right now, because then I'd have to turn on machines, and the only things that I turn on right now are sinks and train stations. I should do something with the fact that there's like this indent here. This indentation. Right, let's see. Does this work? This is too high, but we can bring it down this way. Now it's leaning on it, which is fine. What happens if I build it one higher? It'll look like it's like interlocked. It's clipping, but since it's like intentional, and this looks more supported than when it just touches, you know? Let's just have a look. Let's just see what it looks like. No matter how many times I see it, I always get impressed at your dismantling selection control. When I do it, I end up deleting so many things that I didn't intend to. You know about the button, right? This one. Toggle specified multi-select dismantle. I've set this to my thumb mouse button. Basically what you do is you point at what you want to delete, hold control, and then hold this button, in my case the thumb mouse button, and then just... and then you will only select what you want to delete. There's a button for it. Even better, you don't need to hold that button. You can select, and if you press the button, it unselects everything that isn't the first thing you I'm not too happy though. No, I am. 'Cause At least it looks supportive. Do I like this? I think I do. Do we like this? How do I plan to feed them? There'll be fuel coming in here. And I think that my blenders... I actually can use this station. Now I just need to figure out how. So I'm going to be feeding all these roads from the center here. So this is where the pipes are going to come in. I'm going to build the blenders higher so that I don't need any pumps. One, two, three. Yeah, one, two, three. I don't know if this is going to be that smart though. Can't see what I'm doing. This needs to be the center here. How many blenders do you need? You sure you want to know? 50. Right, let me just check my spreadsheet. At least I know how to find stuff in there. Nope, normal fuel, diluted fuel. I think fuel for recycled plastic. I know that I have a whole spreadsheet and I need lots of fuel for that one. So let me just check the spreadsheet. That would be easier for me. Copy of calculating everything here. Copy of templates. I need 3,150 fuel. I have 115 refineries. And I think they make 40 a minute, right? Let's fly fast. But here I have 115. Yeah, 40. So I have 4,600. For my other factories, I need 3,150. I have 150 refineries. That's not gonna change. I have all the oil coming in. Everything has been built, so this is not gonna change. Not gonna put anything extra. So this is just what we're going for. So we have 4,600 heavy oil residue. I need 3,150 for other factories. But because I'm going to be transporting it by train, I'd rather have some extra go into the train station. So I think I'm going to have to stick with 1,200 for the fuel generators. That is 0.5. That gives me 250 extra. Yeah, I think I should just keep it. Shall I just have one row of fuel generators? So I just build the other row on this side and not double it up? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 47, 48, 49. I just realized that I have a slight problem. Or maybe not. I think I'm gonna have to build 50 anyway. And it won't be running constantly. But it will make sure that none of the blenders will back up, which in turn will make sure that none of the refineries back up, which in turn makes sure that I will have a constant supply of polymer resin. Because I don't know if, or am I think I'm making enough. Making 2,300 polymer resin and I need 16. Oh, we're making enough. If one or two of them don't run constantly, that's fine. I also just realized that I don't need all these pipes here to go that way. So these 12 are for those refineries. So basically what I can do is connect these to the pipe. Let me apply medium. What is happening? Why can't I change pipes? Normally if you press E, it was broken. I don't like this. Look. Look! Fritchie just had an idea. Oh boy. Happy Fritchie noises. Three. 4. It's not straight though. I hate it when these things happen. But then again, I may know how I can fix that, which means I have to redo these though, but that's fine. I can do it. I promise. If you're happy, yeah, you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy, yeah, you know, then you really want to show it. If you're happy, yeah, you know, clap your hands. So these are going to be feeding one row of generators, and then we'll have a similar setup for the next 6. So that goes that way, and then the next few go behind. I should probably count. So we've got 6, 12 plus 10, that's 22. 50 blenders. Oh boy. Why was I doing this again? Because I need the power and I need the fuel for other things. Okay. I think I'm actually even gonna keep these walls like this. It just looks cool. I'm gonna give it support everywhere, but that's it. I'm not gonna change too much. This is an interesting way to do the pipes. Can I ask why they are that way? The way the pipes are built like this is that the gravity helps doing some sort of a buffer. Basically, by doing it this way, I could have done it like this. I always make sure that the input, the horizontal pipe is higher than the actual input of the machine, so that the pipe that goes into the machine acts as a buffer. And by doing it this way, it adds an extra way to prevent the fluid from flowing back and forth. So there will always be fluid in this pipe, so when the machine grabs it fluid, the next fluid will already get ready to be taken into the machine. And I like the way it looks. This wall is gonna go in the end. And then we have a beautiful, I hope, thing.